Traditionally on this show, we build rowdy, fun, loud hot rods, right? They stink like gas.
Yeah.
They ride terribly.
Unsafe, sketchy.
Yeah, in other words, they're awesome.
Perfect.
Now imagine if, after all your years of reckless fun, you find out you're gonna be a dad.
Been there a couple times.
Happened to me last year. So now it's time to take all your fun cars, throw them away, and plant yourself in a minivan, right?
No, put them in storage, buy something responsible.
Since a minivan sounds like a fate worse than death to us, we think there might be another way.
There's always another way.
We're gonna attempt to build a responsible family car that's also a beastly hot rod. Now we want 400 horsepower, better handling, and sweet looks, but at the same time, it's gotta be quiet enough for the baby to go to sleep. It's gotta ride well enough that my wife will get in it, and it's gotta get decent enough gas mileage so we can take it on road trips instead of her SUV.
It's a tall order, buddy.
It is a tall order. Luckily, we're wizards, and there's lots of great information on the internet. The first thing we're gonna do to our dad rod is a suspension and brake upgrade. We've got an Eibach Pro System Plus setup, which is sway bar, springs, and shocks that will lower this car about 1.5 inches and really firm up the handling. And we're gonna put a fresh set of rotors on because this thing has seen 100,000 miles. Since the brakes are pretty decent, we're doing power stop pads and StopTech braided lines.
Let's let the smoke out.
Does burnout's pretty good.
Do it right now.
Did it too much. That's too much.
These tires make a lot of smoke.
We're idiots.
And by we, you mean you.
What I want to do now, though, is add a bunch of power. Spoke too soon. Here come the cops.